Ayan, medyo haggard na yung face ko, but we will push through with this video because matagal-tagal na din akong hindi nakakapag-upload kasi busy lang talaga, guys. But yes, we are back at it again with another haul. And at the end of this video, meron tayong giveaway, so please do stay tuned for that. Actually guys, matagal na dapat akong merong basics haul sa channel ko, but wala akong time mag-film. But since mag-e-end na yung Shopee bags haul giveaway ko, of course, papalitan ko yan ng another giveaway with this video. So without further ado, let's start the haul. And yung unang ipapakita ko sa inyo is itong backless crop tie top. And ito, ang dami talagang nagtatanong sa akin nito nung nagkaroon ako ng jeans haul because super ganda ng fit niya. And I got this for only 129 or 135 pesos only on Clothing PH on Instagram. And next is another top from Clothing. This is... wait, baliktad. Wait lang. So, ayan, ruche top lang siya in avocado green color. Hindi siya super fitted sa akin kasi maliit lang yung waist ko. But, super nice niya lang and lagi talaga tong sold out sa store nila. By the way, guys, all the links will be down below, pati yung bags and yung mga sandals na gagamitin ko. Next is this tube top. Ayan, tie top siya. And this is an Ashley Garcia. Made me buy it. Sobrang tagal ko na ito nabili. Last year pa yata. And hindi ko pa siya nasusuot. So, ayan. Super basic na lang din. And nababagayan niya talaga kahit denim pants, white pants, or whatever yung pambaba mo. In addition to that, since tie top nga siya, meron lang siyang string sa harap and sa likod, you can style it like pa crisscross or pwede ding normal lang like yung ginawa ko sa try-on. So next is this very basic Zara Goddard long sleeve top. It is also a crop top and I got it in grayish brown color. And I also got it in gray, in black, in white, in tan. This one is super nice because pwede siya pang formal or during the rainy days kasi hindi super kapal and hindi din naman super nipis nung quality ng fabric niya. And super stretchable din siya, guys. Ayan. By the way, please do visit my Instagram shop. I am selling brand new and pre-loved clothes. It's just wear it PH on Instagram and most of this na ipapakita ko sa inyo, meron akong mga extra ganon na binibenta sa shop na yon. And I'm selling it for a very affordable price, so just do PM me, I can give you discounts. Moving on to the next top. This is also from Clothing. Ito yung bagong labas nila na design. I got it in white and ang dami ding nagtatanong sa akin nito sa Instagram kung saan ko nakuha because it's not super thick, pero hindi din siya see-through and super ganda niya. Hindi siya super crop. This one super mura lang din, around 90 to 100 pesos and I also got this in pink and meron din silang ibang colors nito sa shop nila. Next are this Zara basic side ruche. I got it in white, in nude, and other colors pa. And this one super nice ng quality niya talaga. You won't believe I got this for only 160 or 180 pesos. And super worth it niya, guys, kasi hindi super nipis and hindi din super kapal. Super comfortable siya i-wear, sobrang maaliwalas, and it's also stretchable. Super perfect lang sa weather dito sa Philippines. So next is this Zara basic polo. If you watch my 15 summer outfit ideas, I featured there yung avocado green color na meron akong ganito. And I also have it in pink and black kasi sobrang gusto ko talaga yung tela niya. Sobrang underrated nito, guys, kasi pwede siya pang formal, pwede siya pang gala, pwede siya pang everyday, and hindi din super init nung feeling niya and super ganda ng quality ng fabric. So ayan, ito talaga yung very basic lang and really a must-have for you guys. So next is another Zara basic crop top. I got it in a lot of colors and one fact, guys, madalas nabibili ko halos lahat ng colors lalo na pag sobra akong na-in-love sa quality niya and pag maaliwalas siya suotin since sobrang init nga dito sa Philippines. And this one halos araw-arawin ko na to and I got two of these and yung black, dalawa din yung ganun ko. And kung may face-to-face lang talaga, ito na yung uniform ko. Next is another basic crop top. This one, I got this from Style Ardor on Instagram. And maganda sana to, kaso may butas siya nung dumating sa akin. But, nirefund naman ng shop. Yung nagustuhan ko dito is stretchable siya, hindi siya super luwag, and body hugging din siya. So, next is another crop top from Clothing again. Super suki na talaga ako dun. And I got this in other colors. And guys, what I like about that shop is talagang pinag-iisipan nila yung sizing nila. Yung design ng tops nila, sa unang tingin, feeling mo super crop niya. Pero pag sinuot mo, sobrang ganda niya talaga. Sobrang nakaka-social. And sobrang nakaka-streetwear vibes. Ganyan. And next, ito yung best seller ng Clothing, which is yung racerback top nila. And ito yung parang nagpasikat talaga sa shop nila. Then nag-boom ito kasi super mura lang nila to binibenta noon. Around 75 to 85 pesos. And with that money, super ganda na ng quality and sizing nila. So ayan, nakita nyo naman, sa sobrang gusto ko nito, I got more than 10 colors already. Moving on, the next top is another racerback top. And this one, mas mura to kaysa sa Clothing. But this one, medyo mas malaki yung sizing nila. So, perfect to sa mga small to medium size frame. Kasi ako, XS ako eh. But this one, super ganda din ng tela nito guys. Super stretchable and very, very nice din yung quality with 59 pesos. Ito na yung makukuha mo. Super worth it niya na talaga. For the next two tops, napakita ko na to sa previous video ko, but isi-share ko ulit kasi super ganda nito guys. Gathered top siya from Style Ardor pa rin, and ayan, avocado green lang din yung kinuha ko. Super nice, super stylish, and another one is this one. Ayan, super mura lang nito guys. Check the description box. Ayan, sinuot ko to sa 15 summer outfit ideas ko. So, for the last top, I have this Zara puff sleeves in color black. And madami ding magagandang colors nito on Shopee. And ayan, super stretchable na lang din. Gathered siya sa gitna. And I got this for only 150 pesos. Ayan. Hi guys! So, moving on to the bottoms or loungewear, I have this... Nakalimutan ko yung tawag. Anong tawag dito? So, here I have this oversized sweatpants. Super mura ko lang din to nabili. Around 150 pesos to 180 pesos. And sobrang ganda ng color range niya. Ayan o, super nudish. And meron din black, white, and gray. So, let's start with this color gray. Ito, yung gray na nabili ko is mas mura. 150 pesos lang kasi hindi super duper kapal ng tela niya. Unlike this ones, ito, mas makapal yung tela nito. And mas makapal din yung mga garter niya, something like that. And yung next ones is ito, yung mga pinagbilhan ko ng mga ganitong colors. And I hope nag-restock pa sila ng mga ganitong colors. So, ayan, nahilig din ako sa mga ganitong sweatpants or loungewear because super comfortable na lang din suotin. Pag pumupunta ako sa bayan, pag pumupunta ako sa mall, or kung saan man ako gustong pumunta, nasusuot ko to kasi super basic na lang. Next is this flowy loungewear pants. And ayun nga, nahilig na kami ng mama ko sa mga ganitong type of loungewears. Actually, ito, binili to ng mom ko sa friend niya, but madaming ganito sa Shopee. Next is this pants. Napakita ko na to sa jeans haul ko. If you haven't watched it, please do visit that video. But this one, ipapakita ko lang din sa inyo since ginamit ko na nga siya sa video na to or sa try-on haul na to. And this is just a Stradivarius tulle culottes. I got it for around 450 or 500 pesos. And I got it in size 24. I'm usually size 25 and my height is 4'11". For your information lang guys, kasi ang daming nagtatanong sa akin sa Instagram kasi meron akong Instagram post na suot ko yung ganito ko in color tan. This one is color cream. Ayan, mas light siya. Almost off-white na siya. And nung nag-restock na yung mga IG shops ng tulle culottes na to, I got this denim pants. Dati kasi cream, tan, and black lang meron ako. And since nag-restock sila, bumili na din ako nung denim color. And lastly, I have this Zara straight cropped jeans. And super ganda lang na to. Super basic. Basic denim lang talaga siya. Yun lang masasabi ko. And I got this for only 420 pesos. By the way guys, if you are wondering kung ano yung ginamit kong bra or booby tip sa mga backless at sleeveless kong top, this is what I use. It's from Tippies. And I got it in color oat. This one hindi to available sa Shopee. Sa Lazada to kasi kila Ray Hermar and her friends to. But I will leave an alternative links na almost same lang din ng quality nito down below. So now that we're done with the haul, let's move on to the giveaway. So for the giveaway, there will only be one winner, and that winner will have this crop top from Clothing. It's in nude color. Ayan, super ganda niya, super nice, neutral and basic lang din. Next is this racerback top that I got from Clothing as well in color white. Next is this racerback top as well, and ito yung para sa mga medium frame naman. Ayan, it's in color gray, and another one in color lavender. Ayan, super nice ang color nito, guys. And lastly, I have this Goddard top for you. Nude lang din yung color niya, para super basic lang din. And in addition to that, you will also get a chance to win this Zara denim jeans. It is also ripped. Ayan. It is a Zara overrun, pero ang ganda ng quality nito, guys. It is in size 24. So, if you're not in size 24, pwede nyo naman siya i-give or ibigay na lang sa ate or friends nyo. Ganyan. So, ayan guys. Ito yung mga mapapanalunan nyo. So, for the mechanics of the giveaway, first, you need to subscribe to my channel. Second, you need to follow me on Instagram at AliaMay. Third is you need to follow my Instagram shop at JustWearItPH on Instagram, because aside from that being my shop, that's also where I post detailed updates on my YouTube giveaways. And para dun sa mga hindi pinalad na nanalo sa Shopee Bags haul ko, this is your chance to join another giveaway from me, and this time clothes naman yung mapapanalunan nyo. Don't worry guys, shipping fee is on me, and also make sure to check the description box kung kailan ko i-announce yung winner. And lastly, what you need to do is to comment first your Instagram username on the comment section down below before commenting anything you would like to say, like video suggestion, or pwede lang din kayo mag-say hi to me. And since we only have one entry per Instagram account, I have a bonus for you guys. If nakapag-comment kayo ng hashtag giveaways by Alia sa Shopee Bags haul ko, I'll be giving you another entry for the giveaway. So ayan, that's it for today's video. Again, please do check the description box for more updates and details of the giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next ones. Bye!